Hi all, namaste. Welcome to another episode of Soul Speak with Sonam. Thank you so much for all your support. I hope that all of you are doing fine. And I'm here to do another pick a card reading. As always, you can get in touch with me for a private session. The links are in the description box below. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have been uploading a lot of different reels, so if you're interested, do check out my Instagram. And I just the other day I posted a reel on what are the signs of twin flame relationships. So do, if you're interested in that, do let me know. And if you would also like a twin flame reading, I would love to make a video on that. Let me know. So today we are going to do Make a Wish Tarot. So I want you to make a wish, to close your eyes and make a wish. Think of something that you really want in your life. It can be anything. It can be a love relationship, something related to career, absolutely anything. And then I want you to pick a card from the next slide. And also don't forget to check out my other videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And oh, before I forget, a couple weeks back I had posted a video where I had asked you to guess a number from 1 to 18, which was the number of the card that I was showing. 1 to 20, I'm sorry, the correct number was 18, and Vedahi Gupta has won a free mini reading. So I'll be getting in touch with you. Vedahi, if you're watching this, do get in touch with me for a free mini reading. If you want to win a free mini reading from me, just like Vedahi did, all you have to do is to comment on my videos. Let me know what you like. So for today, I want you to know if anything that I said resonated. Let me know, and also let me know if you would like a twin flame reading. And that's all. So go ahead, choose a card and come back here. Hello all, welcome back. I hope you made your choice, and if you still haven't, just think of a wish in your mind, anything that you want, and then go back and pick a card. So we are going to begin with all the people who have chosen the first option, which is the World card. So let's see what is in store for you, if your wish is going to come true. If it does, how much time is it likely to take, and what can you do to make it come true? So we'll take a look at all of that. I do have a feeling that for all the people who pick the World card, the answer is a big yes. I'll tell you why. Because the last card in the deck is the Nine of Cups, which is a traditional wish fulfillment card. So I'm quite sure that this is a very positive reading for all of you who have picked the World card. So let us see what the cards have in store for you. Okay, so the very first thing that I can see is that some of you, while choosing a wish, were a little confused between two things. Or there is a possibility that you have thought of a wish, but by the time that happens, by the time it manifests, you might get confused with something else. Especially if this is a relationship, I have a feeling that you might have asked for a wish related to one person, but at the same point there could be someone else in your life, or someone else who's about to enter your life, and you're going to question if you really want that first person that you asked for. That is the vibe that I'm getting for a lot of you people who have chosen the World card. I also feel that this is a situation where justice has not been served. So this could be a one-sided situation wherein you have been trying very hard for something, but you've not seen the results. So if it's a relationship, probably you have been putting in a lot of effort and not getting that kind of attention back from this person. Or it could be, if this is a career or finance related wish, then you might have put in a lot of effort, but you still feel that life has been unfair to you, or justice has not been served. So that is the vibe that I'm getting for all the people who have picked the World card. I feel that you feel that life has been a little unfair to you in this regard, and that a lot of things that you have really worked hard for is in relation to this dream of yours, you're not really getting that. That is the energy that I'm sensing. I also feel that so that is why this is a good card, because I feel that justice will be served. So whatever unfair situation you have been a part of in your life until now, related to this wish, justice will be served. Look at this card. So it just shows justice, the it's all balance, it's in balance, right? So yes, justice will be served, and if you really feel that you have not received some kind of validation from the universe, it will arrive. So yes, your wish of course will come true. As I told you in the beginning, your wish will come true. There is a chance, however, that you might get confused between two options by the time it comes true. So that is the first possibility that I see. I also feel that if this is a situation which has been one-sided for very long, you will feel that you will get the justice that you deserve, or you will get the treatment that you deserve. Okay, so justice will be served. So it's not going to be an unfair situation forever. I also feel that the wheels are turning in your favor. So a lot of you might be feeling stuck in a rut, or you might be feeling that things are not progressing the way that you want, or things are just very stagnant for a really long time. Not just because of the lockdown and everything, but also generally I feel in your life a lot of things are just not progressing. You look at other people and you see that their lives are progressing much faster than yours, and you just wonder what's wrong with you, or what you can do to make things go faster. And I feel that this card is telling me that in relation to this wish of yours, the wheels are turning and things will start moving for you soon. Let me see what guidance I have for you, and then I'll also pick a card to see if I can predict the timing. The guidance for all the people who have picked the World card is blessings. So there are a lot of blessings coming your way, and you just need to be thankful, and you just need to believe that good things are going to happen. I also feel that it is time for you to end a situation in your life. So I'm getting a sense that suppose this wish is related to your career, and you have been wanting a dream job or your dream career for a really long time, and that was your question you thought of when you were picking up the card. However, at the same time, I feel that you're also not taking any steps towards it. So maybe you're still stuck in a job which you don't like, and at the same time you're hoping for your dream job to just turn up. So you're not really applying, you're not really doing a lot of things. This card tells me that you need to take action. You need to let go of a current situation in your life which is detrimental to this wish of yours. So this current situation is in complete opposition to the wish that you have been trying to get in your life. So you need to let this go. It's time to go. Your current situation is no longer it's no longer helping you, or it's no longer serving you. It's done its part. So it's time for you to just let go of this and move on to the next stage, or rather to take any action that you can towards this wish of yours. Time to go is a card which denotes that whatever your current situation is, there is very little to learn from it anymore. You are done. So if this is a job related thing, maybe it's asking you to explore other opportunities or find some more avenues of growth. Just take it as it resonates related to your wish. It could be a relationship, it could be any type of situation, but you need to let go of what you're currently holding on to. And now for timing, I'm going to pick from my Osho Zen deck. Let me see if I can figure out the rough timing of when your wish is going to come true. I see the month of October as very I see the number 10 actually, so it can be October, it can also be 10 months from now, it can be 10 days from now, or 10 weeks, but I very strongly feel it is something to do with September, October. That is a very good time for this wish of yours to come true. So I do hope this resonated, and I do hope that all of you who picked the World card are very happy. If you claim this reading, do let me know in the comments. Just write that I claim this reading. If you want, if you're ready for this wish to come true in your life, and if you're ready to welcome this, please do write this in the comment, and do let me know if this resonated and if you like this reading. Thank you so much for watching. And now we move to the next bit. So everyone who has picked the Sun card, we're going to see what the Sun card holds for you. So everyone who has picked the Sun card, let's see whether your wish is going to come true or not. So let me see. Also let me know in the comments if you like this format of my video. If you like this Make a Wish Tarot, I'll make more such videos. And if this is something that you like watching, I would love to make more such videos. Okay, so let's see for all the people who have picked the Sun card. Okay, I do feel that for a lot of you, this is to do with something from your past. For all the people who have picked the Sun card, this could be a dream which has to do with something from your past which didn't work out. It could either be a person from your past and you wanting to rekindle that relationship. It could also be a career or a job option that you've tried for in the past but it didn't work out. I'm getting the sense that a lot of you are focused on something from the past, and you are so focused on the cups that are spilled, you're not noticing what is currently being offered to you in the present. So to in a nutshell, what I feel is that this particular dream of yours is going to manifest in a way different from what you've imagined. So in the sense that I feel that you need to end this particular cycle that you're on. And one sec, let me pull out a couple more cards. I also feel that a lot of you might be wanting this dream only because it makes you feel good in front of other people, because this is something that you feel will make you feel that you've achieved success in life because other people have done the same. I'm not sure if you all want this dream as much as you wanted it at one point of time. Maybe at one point of time you were very, very keen on achieving this, but right now I feel it has become somewhat of a burden. You might, if this is to do with a past person, I feel that this person might have hurt you a lot, or this person might have put a lot of pressure on you, and at times you might have felt that this relationship has become more of a burden than a value add in your life. So you do need to, the cards are basically saying that there is something better out there for you, so you need to end this cycle right now. You need to end this cycle and drop the baggage and get ready for the next leg of the journey. That's what I'm sensing. When I say the next leg of the journey, I see a lot of passion entering your life. So I see a lot of passion, or possibly a new relationship or a new career option entering your life. For any of you who has made a wish about anything to do with finances, I can see an avenue to earn money through your passions or hobbies coming up. I also see a lot of financial gain coming your way if this wish was related to career and finances. And if it's related to love, I see a lot of passion in your future. So this is a new relationship. This is a brand new relationship that is ready to come into your life. If you were to just end this cycle that you're currently on, and if you were to just let go of this wish that you're clinging on so desperately to. So that is the sense that I'm getting. I also feel that a lot of it is to do with comparing yourself to others and doing what you think others will like, or you think what society thinks is right. So that is a sense that I'm getting for a lot of you who have picked the Sun card. Let me just see a couple more guidance cards to see what else I can say. Okay, so the next thing that I can see for you, for all the people who have picked the Sun card, is that you being asked to go the distance. So this card basically means either literally going the distance, so this could be some sort of traveling, especially if the person is in another country or a city. And also I'm thinking that this new person who's about to enter your life, for those of you who have asked about a relationship, this person could be in another city. Or if this is a job or a career that you're asking about, this could be in another city. So you're being asked to take that leap of faith and take that risk. To explain what I'm sensing for all the people who pick the Sun card is, a lot of you might be holding yourself back from achieving your full potential by putting all your eggs in a basket which is related to the past. You have been holding on to this particular dream from your past, and you are putting your life on hold until that manifests. So you're not ready to explore any other opportunities that are coming your way, because you're just waiting for that person or that option or that situation to turn itself around. The cards are saying that as long as you waste your time in waiting for that to happen, you are pushing away new opportunities, which, as I've told you, I can see amazing opportunities right ahead for you. So you need to stop clinging on to something which is not working, and you need to be willing to go the distance, or go travel a bit more or further away from where you are, or in some way just willing to do what it takes or accept what life is sending your way, rather than just forcing something to happen which is not happening. I'm not saying your wish is not going to manifest. All I'm saying is that if you were to be a little more open in accepting what life is sending you right now, which might look very different from what you're wanting, this wish might actually come true. So there's a lot of resistance. I feel that people who pick the Sun card have a lot of them clinging very hard to this dream of theirs. They're clinging very hard, they're like very desperate about it. And we all know that when you're very desperate about something, it's less likely to manifest in your life. So that is the energy that I'm sensing for all of you who have picked the Sun card. And this card tells me that you will come to this realization yourself at some point. So it could be, of course, through this tarot reading that you're watching currently, or it could be anything else in your life which makes you realize this. I do see a period of around 5 months. So there is 5 is a significant number for all those who pick the Sun card. So maybe it's going to take 5 months, or you're being asked to spend the next 5 months. If you focus on something else, you will see this dream manifest, or something even better. So basically, just let go of the resistance. Stop holding on so hard to something from your past. Be open to what the universe sends you. It might look very different from what you asked, but it's not wrong for you, and then something very amazing will turn up, either that thing from the past which you've been wanting, or something new which holds a lot of promise. So I hope this resonated. Do let me know in the comments if anything that I said is true. If you are feeling this way, it really encourages me to read all your comments. And thank you so much for watching. And now we get to the end of the session, and we get to all the people who have picked the Star card. So one sec. So let me see all the people who have picked the Star card. Let's see if your wish is going to come true, and if it does, what is the timeline and what you can do to make it manifest faster. Sorry, I don't think it got shuffled well. Okay. Whoa. So for a lot of people who pick the Star card, the dream could be to do with something to do with career and finances. I also feel that some of you might be facing some difficulties in your finances. Look at this girl. She's upset and she's crying, and these pentacles denote that it could be something to do with money. If it's not related to money, if it is related to relationships, then she's feeling like an outsider. She's feeling like she's not included. So you might have felt like an outsider in some situation. You might feel that you don't have as much money as others do, or you don't feel like you belong to a relationship or a family. You might feel like you being treated like an outsider in some situation in your life. I do feel that all the people who have picked the Star card, have a lot of manifesting energy. So yes, you can make this dream come true. However, it all depends on how you channelize this energy. A lot of you are a little lazy. Forgive me for saying that, but the energy that I'm getting is that you're very powerful when it comes to your mind. You know how to channelize, you know how to manifest what you want in your life, but at the same time you don't always channelize your energy in that direction. You sometimes just waste your energy, and or you just don't do anything about it. You don't spend a lot of time into thinking positively. You do have a lot of power, and the universe has given you all the resources to manifest this dream. However, it depends on how you take it further. So for instance, this Magician card is telling me that you are the magician and you have been given all the resources by the universe, but it depends on you whether you actually create magic out of it or not. So it's all in your hands. I also sense that there's a period of waiting for around 4 months. 3 or 4 months is when you need to recuperate from something which happened in the recent past. You might be feeling a little depressed or sad or a little low. It could also be some of you recuperating from some illness, or maybe you were looking after a family member who was ill, or some sort of loss or disappointment which you have faced, and you need to just take your time to rest and relax a bit after this setback that you have faced. And after that, I feel that it's all up to you whether you can how you decide to use your energy to manifest this dream of yours. A new life awaits you. So if you were to channelize your thoughts properly and just focus on what you want and take all the steps needed, I do feel that a new life is just right around the corner for you. Something amazing is out there. You have all the power in the world to make this happen. You have absolutely all it takes, but again, as I said, it all depends on what you do with that energy. I also feel that sometimes you like to surround yourself by people and you don't put in a lot of work on your spirituality or your manifestation, because you get a little bored and sometimes you feel, yeah, I'll do it, or I'll just get down to doing it at some point. You keep procrastinating. So you are being asked to spend some time in solitude, because spending time in solitude is going to help you with understanding how important it is for you to work on your thoughts yourself, so that this particular dream of yours can manifest. If you were to take this dream seriously, and if you were to spend some time in solitude and not just do things because other people are doing it, and not just spend time with other people because it's more fun, I feel that, so I'm not asking you not to have fun. Manifestation is supposed to be a lot of, it's supposed to be a lot of fun, but at the same time it's also hard work. Just like you can't expect some things, you can't expect money to just fall into your lap without putting in any sort of work. Similarly, you can't expect your dreams to manifest if you're not willing to work on yourself. So if you are willing to take that effort, you will see a new life ahead of you. Something very amazing is just right around the corner for you. And in terms of timing, I see a waiting period of around 4 months. I feel that excuse me, I don't feel anything significant happening for the next 4 months, and after that I feel things will start moving, especially around November. So after November, October, November seems like a very it seems like a very significant time for you. This is the card for Scorpio. And also I feel that you also need to take some rest, because as I told you, you might have just had some sort of setback, so you need to take some rest. And after this thing is done, you will have to channelize this energy in the positive direction. So if you're willing to put in the hard work, yes, this dream of yours will absolutely manifest. So I hope that resonated. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do let me know in the comments if any part of this resonated, and if you like this reading, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.